So optimized division is conceptually pretty much the same as unoptimized division, except that you're going to be shifting before you do the test. So instead of adding and then shifting, I mean subtracting and then shifting, you're going to shift and then you'll do your test. So the first iteration is always given to us. Um, Initialize. The divisor stays the same. The remainder is, and this is 9-bit, by the way. So there's going to be 9 circles. So this is how it's set up. Now, to make it simpler, you can draw a line here to cut off the first 4 bits from all the way down so you can keep track of them easier. So now we go to iteration 1. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to shift it. We're going to shift it to the left. The remainder, we're going to shift it entirely to the left. So the divisor stays the same. And then we shift this to the left by 1. And then we're going to test it. So then we test the same as before. Is R a number that's bigger than the divisor? I mean, a small. Will it be negative? My bad. Okay, so then this is 0, R is 0, and D in this case is 3. So is R bigger than D? No, it's not. So then we're going to do nothing. Then to the next iteration, we're going to shift it all down by 1. Okay, so now we're going to test it again. Is 1 bigger than 3? No. So we're not going to do anything. Then to the next iteration, we're going to shift it down again. Okay, so then is 2 bigger than 3? No, it's not. So once again, we're not going to do anything. This is the test phase. We're not going to do anything. Now on to the fourth iteration. Now we're going to shift it. Okay, so now is 5 greater than 3? Yes, yes it is. So we're going to subtract. This is the test phase. Going to subtract. So what is 5 minus 3? That's going to be 2. So the remainder is going to become like so. However, whenever we subtract, the least significant bit is updated to 1. So this 0 is removed and becomes a 1. And so you could say update, or you could do it in one step. It's up to you. And you could write it out like this. So now on to the next iteration, 5. I'm going to shift it again. That's the shift. And then we're going to check it. Is 5 greater than 3? Yes, it is. And so we're going to do subtraction again. That comes out to 2 again. And then our least significant bit is updated to 1. I just did it in one step instead of running the update. And so that's our final answer here because we've gotten to the fifth iteration. And so our answer, we have these 9 bits. The right hand 4 bits is our quotient. And then the left hand 4 bits is our remainder. And so our remainder here is, and our quotient is so, which is 3 with remainder of 2, which is correct. We can check our answer, and that's correct. And that's how you do the optimized division.